Hey everybody, what's up? It's Isaac Ramirez coming to you with another episode of What's Going On in the Market. Big announcement. Quicken Home Loans just announced a strategic partnership with Primerica. Now, if you're familiar with Primerica, they're the insurance company that helps financial literacy for individuals who are looking for life insurance, annuities, or savings with respect to stocks. Now, I'm not too sure exactly what they do in general, but I know their whole basis is creating financial alternatives for consumers that do not save. Now, I wonder why Quicken would step out to the forefront with Primerica. Maybe because Primerica has over 100,000 foot soldiers on the ground servicing the needs of clients and prospecting for business, or the fact that Quicken is stuck in Detroit, Michigan in a building, in a hub, and figure this is the quickest way to get their product out there. I mean, let's face it, seems like everybody's getting into the mortgage business these days, right? Hint, Zillow. With the reality of it is that this could be a great alternative for consumers to receive more information about, well, most importantly, assets. I mean, think about it. Life insurance, annuities, mortgage, gotta own a home, and maybe even possibly additional properties. I mean, we don't know the exact spin of what they're gonna be doing, but we all know that Primerica made a move for the mortgage business, before the meltdown per se, and exited the business in 2012. So I'm pretty curious to see what exactly is gonna be transpiring here. I mean, is every single one of their agents gonna get their NMLS license? And if they do get their NMLS, what's the training going to look like? Who's going to be monitoring and managing these individuals? Or is it going to get a referral base where it goes to the hub? And how's commissions and payouts going to be? I mean, let's face it, Primerica, when they entered the market in the past, their whole basis was learn how to pay a 30-year mortgage off in 15. They offer things like biweekly payments and deferred interest. And in fact, they showed people how to manipulate an amortization schedule by using a calculator and adding one to two extra payments a year. I mean, we don't know exactly what their whole ploy on this market's going to be, but I will tell you this. Is this good or bad for consumers? Is this good or bad for industry professionals? I mean, let's face it. Usually, typically, multi-level marketing companies are known to be part-time individuals that are seeking to make some extra cash on the side. Is that what the mortgage business is now turned to? Or is Quicken saying, hey, look, we need to make a push to ensure that companies like Zillow don't enter and affect consumers? Hey, just want to thank you guys for tuning in. I mean, as soon as I get this information, I like to deliver it as best as I can. I figured the best way to do it is through video. I mean, this is information that's hot off the press and literally things that are transpiring in our market. Whether you're a consumer or real estate professional, I want to bring you value. So thank you guys so much for checking me out. And most importantly, I'm going to keep you guys up to date with what's happening in the market. I mean, next week, who knows? McDonald's, Burger King, or Taco Bell may announce that they're opening a mortgage company as well. I mean, it's the thing to do, right?